Hello future millionaire and welcome to our video. In the globalized world we live in today, we can communicate with extreme ease and speed with people in any corner of the planet through the internet that makes this possible. Among these possibilities is to earn in dollars, working directly from Brazil. Not only dollars, but any foreign currency. Many people are looking for ways to increase their income and know how to earn in dollar, using the internet as their ally. Through this article we will be showing some tips on how to earn in dollar, working in Brazil, through the internet. How to earn in dollars on the internet. We know that in relation to the Brazilian real, the American currency is much more appreciated, so many Brazilians are looking for income options that pay in dollars. The advantages are many, but among the main ones are: you can work remotely from home. Don't have to face the chaotic traffic of big cities. Be well paid and probably earn more than a regular employee. Because of these advantages, many people look for ways on how to earn in dollars and thus increase their income. Below we have listed some activities that can be a good option for you to start earning in U.S. currency. Leave your like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss other incredible tips like this one. 1. Working with translation. If you can speak a language other than Portuguese, this type of service is ideal for you. Working with translation can be very lucrative for people who are looking for ways to earn in dollars. For many local businesses looking to expand outside the United States, have websites set up with more than one language outside their local language, as well as other services within a company, for example, subtitling a video, a blog post, translating documents, or even messages that will be sent to customers via email. Working as a translator is a great option, since large companies have great demands for services, and therefore they are always looking for this type of worker. 2. Website developer. Having a website is essential for any large company, because through it, customers get in touch with the services offered by the entrepreneur. Soon an organized site is the differential for a company, and many small businesses outside Brazil do not have sites, as incredible as it may seem. The job of the website developer is to sell websites to the people who are looking for this kind of service. This is a good opportunity for the developer to show his portfolio and skills. It is a job that offers good income, because a website always goes through updates and changes. As a website developer, you can build a good customer base through your services and earn top dollar. With your client base created, in case of a hiring or desire to move to the United States, know that you will need a green card. It is common for many technology entrepreneurs to produce systems that solve some problem. A good case is the system that allows you to use WhatsApp in more than one computer, the famous chatbot, as is the case of Chatsack. 3. Graphic design. If you are in the field, know that you can make dollar for dollar with your services. Graphic design is essential in a company. After all, an organized and aesthetically beautiful website catches anyone's attention, which is why graphic design is in high demand by large companies. The art of a graphic design can be worth a lot in the United States, creating illustrations for web and cell phone logos. These are services that are in great demand over there. 4. Freelancer. This service covers many areas, but we highlight the content creator. Even though there is new content posted on the internet every second, making quality content that generates value to people is very difficult to find. And for this it takes time and research, something that many entrepreneurs do not have in large numbers, so they decide to outsource this type of service. The freelancer researches and creates quality content for entrepreneurs' sites, blogs, and articles in a way that is easy to understand, where the information is conveyed without difficulty to the readers. For this type of service, it is recommended to specialize in a specific customer niche you are looking for, so it is easier to build a base and start earning in dollars. 5. Traffic manager. This service is essential nowadays because the traffic manager is responsible for bringing new customers to companies through his campaigns and advertisements. He plays a fundamental role in the entrepreneur's strategic plans. With research on the business and the product sold by the company in order to generate a qualified audience that buys the service offered. Because it is fundamental in any kind of business, the traffic manager can easily earn in dollars directly from Brazil. If you want to enter this area, we recommend looking for good courses on traffic management and, just like in the freelance service, have a specific niche to hone your skills. 6. Online advertising. If you have a YouTube channel, website, or a blog, you can link ads through a free tool, Google AdSense. You get paid in dollars for the number of clicks that the ad will have on your channel or by viewing them. Because Google AdSense shares the value with the creator of the content and the advertisers. 7. Offshore company. This type of business model brings benefits such as security and tax reduction. You just need to understand which offshore company model suits your business, LLC, international business company, or trust. This type of company is different from a multinational because it does not need a head office or economic activity in the country in which it is opened. You are now up to date on how to earn in dollars. Important to say, if you are starting to build your customer base, try to charge a price that is good for you and those who will order your services. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Share this video with people who need this type of content. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our tips on how to get rich in 2023.